All right, so this is formatting in Pages, and I know a lot of us are unfamiliar with Pages, so I'm just going to talk you through it. Let's say you wrote it in Notability, perhaps, or you just wrote it into Pages, and now you need to know how do you format in a proper MLA way. Well, first of all, note that you have your name, your teacher's name, the course, and then, of course, the date, date, month, year. You also have your creative title. You're going to select that and center that if you have not already. So then after this, you note that the whole paper, including the works cited page, needs to be double spaced. So I'm going to select it all, and I'm going to do that with the keyboard by using Command A. And then up here, you'll see this button that does spacing. So you're just going to hit 2, and it automatically double spaces it. Now, you don't need to add any extra spaces. This is it. This is all you should have, just double spaced. There shouldn't be extra space between paragraphs, between title. The whole thing is just double spaced. Another thing that you're going to want to do is make sure that you change the font. So in order to do that, you see up here, you will click Times New Roman, and you will put it in 12-point font. That's a requirement, so you can see how that looks there. This regular just means italic or bold. Note that the title is just in plain text, so you just leave that be. All right, so another thing that you're going to need to do is you're going to need to create a header. So to do that, if you just hover your mouse above the top and you click down, you're going to see that you get into the header right here. Now you want your header to be right aligned, so you're going to click the right align tool. And then at the top of your page, you'll see Insert, and you will insert page number, and I'll just insert it for you. Now, one other thing that you need to add is your last name. So I put in my last name. Oh, I guess my last name is Smith. Sorry. So I put my last name and then a space. So what that automatically does, because it's on the header, is it labels all the page numbers. Now note, if you just put a 1 in, write in the number 1, type it in, they're all going to be 1. That's why you have to do specifically insert page number. All right, so now that that's done, your title is great, you have your indent properly formed, you have 1-inch margins all the way around. You're going to want to look at your works cited page. So here I have the works cited, and it's just kind of at the end. I want it on its own page, so I'm going to go insert page break like that. I'm going to highlight this, and then I'm going to center the title, works cited. I don't bold it, I leave it as is. Now I know that I need a hanging indent for these sources. So what I'm going to do is select the whole thing, and then I look up here at this ruler. I'm going to move the ruler in to 0.5, and it's going to move all of it. However, I really only want the bottom part in, so I'm going to take that top part, that little line, and I push that back. There I have a properly formatted works cited page at this point. So you can see what this looks like right now. And this is how to use Pages to format your paper. Please, please, please don't forget to cite. Oh, and I noticed here that I forgot to change this to 12-point Times New Roman font. So I'm going to go back, alphabetical here, and put that in the right font as well. All right. And that is how you use it.